Let's save extra time with the ultimate Workflowy power user setup by combining Workflowy with the Elgato Stream Deck. The Stream Deck is a device that a lot of streamers use on platforms like Twitch or YouTube that gives you the ability to manipulate software in real time, which is helpful when you're live and don't have time to mess with settings in software like OBS. Let's look at how you can use this same awesome device day to day with Workflowy. So under the Stream Deck, there's a few different models. You have XL, the regular Stream Deck, MK.2, Mini. There's a new Stream Deck Plus, a Stream Deck Pedal, even a mobile app, and of course the software. So the XL is what I ended up upgrading to, and with the software you can configure it different ways. On mine, I have a button to sleep my computer to launch Workflowy, different apps that I use throughout the day. I have a Workflowy folder on my Stream Deck too. So if we click that, we have today, some notes, to do, and doctors, finances, etc. What makes this awesome is as soon as I hit today on the Stream Deck, it pulls up today on my Workflowy. And as soon as I pull up notes, it jumps into that notes page. So how do I do that? Let's go ahead and jump in. First thing you want to do is download the Stream Deck app, and that's how you get it set up when you buy it too. And on the right hand side, there are a bunch of actions that you can take. And in the middle, this is my setup. Different icons do different things. So if I click on this one, it just launches the Workflowy app. But then there are some that I have that are tied to hotkeys on my computer that I can do things like launch Google Drive. So this is a folder. I made the icons custom. Leave a comment below if you'd like me to release the icon pack that I made. Now, if you double click into that, this is the folder that all the magic happens in. All right, so this is how we manipulate Workflowy. So the first thing that you'll want to do is go ahead and drag a website from the right-hand side where it says System Website, drag that and drop. And this allows you to put in a title, so we can say like Google. We can type in the URL, google.com, and that'll launch Google if I click that button. You can also control things like how big the font size is, if you even want to show a title or not. I like to do that because at a glance I can see what it's all about. How does this tie into Workflowy? Well, let's look at the URL. You'll notice that the URL starts with Workflowy // and this tells Workflowy app to launch whatever URL that I put in there. So to find the URL, just go back to your browser. So every Workflowy node has a unique URL. So if I click in the dashboard here, if you notice there is a hash symbol and then a bunch of numbers, just go ahead and right click and choose copy. And then in Stream Deck, all we have to do is paste in that URL. And choose website, and then we'll type in Workflowy, and then the URL we just made, call this dashboard. If you click on this down arrow button, it'll show you a menu that has set from file, so you can choose an icon like the kind that I make custom, or you can choose create a new icon or open Stream Deck icon library. So we'll click open the library. They have a whole bunch of different icons to choose from. Let's choose this one. All right, and now it says dashboard. So anytime I hit that on the Stream Deck, it will launch the dashboard. Thanks for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this. I know for me, I use this every single day. It lets me jump around in my Workflowy, be able to find things quickly, and keeps me super productive. If you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.